Tax and Law Story Series, A Judge's Struggle and Redemption. This is a true story from Japan. Outside the courthouse, Hakamada Iwao's sister walked out with a sorrowful look, clutching tightly to a photo of the deceased. The man in that photo was Kumamoto Norimichi, one of the judges who presided over the Hakamada's case back in 1966. He was only 29 at the time. The case shocked the whole country. It involved the murder of a missile factory owner and his family of 4. The killer even set the scene on fire. Only the eldest daughter survived. A year into the investigation, the police claimed to have found the 5 pieces of blood-stained clothing in a missile barrel outside the crime scene. They suspected the clothes belonged to an employee, Hakamada. He was held at the police station, and after enduring endless, intense interrogation, he finally broke down and confessed. When Kumamoto examined the prosecution's evidence, he found huge holes in the confession and couldn't make sense of the so-called 5 blood-stained clothes. But in the panel of 3 judges, the 2 senior judges were convinced Hakamada was guilty and deserved the death penalty. In the end, young Kumamoto had to go against his conscience and professional judgment and agree to the verdict. That decision haunted him for the rest of his life. 6 months later, he resigned as a judge and became a lawyer, but fell into alcoholism, went through a divorce, and even lost his license to practice. For years, he drifted through life. It wasn't until the early 2000s, encouraged by his later wife, that he finally found the courage to speak up. In 2007, he broke the rule of secrecy around verdict deliberations, went public, and swore to save Hakamada, who was still on death row. In 2014, the case was granted a retrial, and in mid-2023, the Shizuoka District Court declared Hakamada innocent. But Kumamoto never saw that day. He passed away in 2020. Even so, his courage and his refusal to let go of the truth delivered justice, late but real. The power of the law lies in its fairness, and fairness rests on an unwavering pursuit of truth.